Well, I've already started here. So it kind of looks like a mess. But I have cut up some carrots and then shredded them. And then I have red cabbage over here. And what I'm thinking is that I'm going to make some rice and then cook these veggies down with some butter, olive oil, etc. and eat them over rice. I would also use this sriracha because sriracha is great on everything. And I have sesame oil because sesame oil is delicious. So let's see. We'll get some music going. I should close this door. Self-care summer camp. Okay. So this box has seen its last days. For my camp stove. Okay. I'm gonna need water. Or I have oat milk. Hold on. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and go with water because I don't know how oat milk will do with rice being cooked for a good amount of time. So let's get out some spices. I think we need those. Pepper. Maybe a little mixed seasoning. So we do not have a proper measuring cup. So what we're going to do here to measure the rice is use this little beaker that I have. So we have 1 part rice to 1.5 parts liquid. That does not look like very much rice. I've got a lot of vegetables. Maybe I'll do 2. Then we're going to need 3 of water. Oh, look. They're coming. There's some people coming into camp. I got distracted. My bad. 2. And tiny. That looks like a lot. That's okay. Okay. Sriracha. I don't know. How much was that? How much was that? Olive oil. I'm putting olive oil in this while it is cooking, even though Oh, that was gross. Even though I will probably put sesame oil in, like in the veggies, at least maybe towards the end, right before they're ready to be done. I don't know how well, temperature-wise, sesame oil does. So I'm using olive oil here. There were a multitude of distractions out here today in this here field. There were some firefighters doing some training. So there were probably, I don't know, 20 gorgeous guys prancing about the fields here. They weren't prancing about. They were distracting me. Nonetheless, they were a distraction. Okay. So, do I want a little bit of butter in there? I think the butter's for the veggies. Okay. Let's go ahead and cover this. We might need some additional windbreak. We may need additional windbreak. I don't know. Let's see. Let's turn that down a little bit. We don't need anything crazy going on. Okay. So now I will want butter. I don't know if I want to use all of this or not. It's already a lot. Maybe I should put it in a baggie. Delicious. Okay. Well, let's get some butter going on. Again, that's probably a little bit aggressive. Better. Well, I don't like that. That is not ideal. Where's it even coming from? I don't know. Okay. I don't know really how much that's going to cook down. Let's get a little more cabbage. Oh, crap. Okay. Whew. Let's go again with a little bit of this seasonings. So we're kind of matching the flavor. Okay. So I think I'm going to put the rest of this into a bag and then the rest of this into a container also. So I'll be right back. I'm not actually sure what is the best way to store this, but for now it's just going to go in here. I'm making this for me, by the way, so I don't need your comments about my hands touching it. Okay, hopefully this will stay rather nicely in the refrigerator. I'll be back. Okay, so I'm just gonna clean up a little bit. Maybe we should put a little bit of butter in the rice. And we're just going to leave that be. Let that hang out and stay warm. Just really quick, I want to show you where I'm cooking dinner. Just hanging out here in the pines. So beautiful. Okay, we will be back when it's getting near done. Okay, let's see what's going on here. For the rice, we're just gonna fluff it. Wow, that looks amazing. It probably could have benefited from a stir once I put all the stuff in the beginning. That's okay. That's delicious. Okay. So that's ready to go. Ooh. And now here, oh yeah. I did put a little bit of the sriracha in there, but I think those look amazing. So go ahead and turn that off. Let's get some rice. And looky there. Looks like I made enough for 2 or 3. Reliably, Renee. Okay. That looks absolutely amazing. Enjoy.